Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to scan QR codes on your Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone. To scan the QR code, open the camera application, select the photo mode in it, then switch to your rear camera. You can do this by tapping this icon right here, because only the rear camera can scan QR codes. Then you have to face your camera to the QR code and tap the QR code icon, which will appear in the bottom left corner of your screen, and this will open the result for you. Then you can, for example, open this result in browser if it's a link to a website. And as you can see, we just open a website using a QR code. But if on your device you cannot scan QR codes, check if you have this setting enabled. Tap the arrow icon at the top of your camera application in any camera mode, then go to settings by tapping the gear icon right here, then go to AI recommendations in photo settings and make sure that this toggle is switched on. If it's switched off, just switch it on again, and then try scanning the QR code once again. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.